Well, the good news is weather is warming up, so it's time to get your lawn ready for summer. Here with tips, home contractor Skip Bedell. Skip, as we look out at our lawns, and we're spending a lot of time at home, the good news is, while everybody doesn't have a perfect lawn, every lawn is fixable.
That's right. And Steve, this is the perfect time of year to seed your lawn. And it's really not that complicated to have a great looking lawn like this. There's really just two steps you need to be concerned with. So number one is having the right grass seed. See, this is my favorite seed. This is Jonathan Green's Black Beauty. This is a premium seed that's used by sod growers across the country. And the reason why they use this as opposed to other types of seed is that if you look at the grass seed, the leaves have a very waxy coating, almost like the skin on an apple. Very different from other seed. And what that does, it retains the moisture and allows this grass to be very drought tolerant. So you can grow it even in low water situations. And the roots get down really deep. So if you look over in this box, most grass seeds, the roots go down 6 to 9 inches. With this particular grass seed from Black Beauty from Jonathan Green, the roots grow down up to 4 feet deep, Steve. So that means it's going to be drought tolerant. Yeah. It's unbelievable. And look at, so you can see how nice and rich and dark green this is. Now, the other key to having a great lawn, Steve, in addition to the seed, is you got to have the proper soil conditions. So most people have very hard, acidic, compact soil. This is really important. And this is my other tip, the big key. You want to have soil food, not just grass food, but soil food. So this product, the Magic Cow Plus, it actually conditions your soil. It loosens it up. And it makes hard soil loose, allowing the air and water to get down. And it also corrects the pH, so you get a nice dark green lawn instead of light green with weeds. So 2 very important things, the proper seed and the proper food for your soil. Another nice thing about this seed is that it comes in many different varieties. So you have seed for sunny, for shade, sun and shade, even heavy traffic. So the beauty of this grass seed from Jonathan Green is they have a seed for every condition, no matter what your yard has. You're going to have a perfect looking lawn every time with this stuff. It's unbelievable. Love it.
Very good.
So,
Skip, should you be looking at the chart on the back of the bag to make sure that it's the right time in your part of the country to be doing this stuff?
Absolutely. Always look at the back of the bag. And also, if you go on their website right now, they have this great handbook. It's called The New American Lawn. And this will give you everything you know. It's free. They'll send it to you. They'll tell you the time of year and everything you need to do and the correct products to use on your particular lawn.
Great.
So after you have the seed and the fertilizer and the food in your soil, you want to keep it mowed good. So, Steve, this is my mower of choice, and this is brand new this year from Ego. This is a new 21-inch Select Cut Mower. It actually has 2 blades. If you look on the bottom, it has 2 blades for the first time. It has a mulching blade and a bagging blade. But what's different about this mower, Steve, is that it operates on a 57-volt battery. So there's no gas, there's no exhaust fumes, there's no noise. You simply pop the battery in and you close it. And listen to how quiet this is. I'm going to run it right now. Okay. Unbelievable, right? Very quiet. So this is the other thing right now. Look, Select Touch. This has self-drive, self-propelled. You just press the button and it's self-propelled. You don't even have to push it anymore. So, yeah, if you want to keep the perfect lawn, this is what you want to have, the Ego 21-inch Select Cut Mower. Yeah, unbelievable.
All right, so, very good. Skip, we're about out of time. Thank you very much. If people have more questions about the things they've seen, go to skipbedell.com. Skip, have a great holiday weekend.